Welcome to Quiz Buffet. Get ready. Let's dive into the quiz.
What is the meaning of Al-Fatiha? Is it the opener, the creator, or the provider? How many verses are in Surah Al-Fatiha? Is it 5, 7, or 9? What is another name for Surah Al-Fatiha? Is it Al-Kaf, Al-Baqarah, or Al-Kitab? Which verse asks for guidance on the straight path? Is it verse 1, verse 6, or verse 3? How many times is Surah Al-Fatiha recited in daily prayers? 5, 17, or 10? What is the first verse of Surah Al-Fatiha? What does Iyyaka na'budu wa Iyyaka nasta'in mean? Which concept is emphasized throughout Surah Al-Fatiha? Mercy, justice, or patience? How does Surah Al-Fatiha start? With praise, with prayer, or with commandments? What does Sirat al-Mustaqim mean? The difficult path, the crooked path, or the straight path? What is Surah Al-Fatiha's significance in Islamic prayers? What is the meaning of Ar-Rahman in verse 1? The provider, the merciful, or the judge? What is the focus of verse 5 in Surah Al-Fatiha? Worship, patience, or guidance? What phrase signifies the completion of the surah? Is it Ameen, Allahu Akbar, or Subhanallah? Who is being praised in the first verse? Is it angels, Allah, or the prophets? How many names of Allah are mentioned in Surah Al-Fatiha? What does Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin mean? What is the key theme of Surah Al-Fatiha? Forgiveness, guidance, or gratitude? How does Surah Al-Fatiha describe Allah? Forgiving, merciful and just, or loving? Who do Muslims seek help from in Surah Al-Fatiha? Prophets, angels, or Allah? What is the main purpose of Surah Al-Fatiha and Salah? What does Maliki Yawm-ud-Din refer to? What is the Arabic term for the path of those who earn Allah's favor? How is Surah Al-Fatiha used in daily life? Prayers, celebrations, or transactions? Which prophet revealed Surah Al-Fatiha? What is the meaning of Ar-Rahim in verse 1? What is the significance of saying Ameen after reciting Surah Al-Fatiha? What part of Surah Al-Fatiha asks to avoid the path of those who went astray? How many chapters does the Quran have including Surah Al-Fatiha? How is Surah Al-Fatiha used in Islamic funerals? Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe for upcoming episode.